You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding the Federal Reserve's impact on the economy. The Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, stands as the principal decision-making body within the Federal Reserve System, the central bank of the United States. Tasked with overseeing the nation's monetary policy, the FOMC bears the weighty responsibility of ensuring price stability and maximizing employment, the dual mandate entrusted to it by Congress. Through meticulous adjustments to the federal funds rate, the interest rate at which banks lend and borrow reserves from one another, the FOMC exerts its influence on the availability and cost of credit within the economy. By steering this benchmark rate, the FOMC indirectly impacts a wide array of interest rates, from mortgages and auto loans to business investments, thereby shaping the trajectory of economic activity and inflation. The FOMC's deliberations carry profound implications for businesses, investors, and policymakers alike, as they provide valuable insights into the health of the U.S. economy and the future course of monetary policy. The minutes from these meetings serve as a crucial window into the minds of the FOMC members, offering a glimpse into their assessments of economic conditions, their expectations for future growth and inflation, and the rationale behind their policy decisions. The FOMC's pronouncements reverberate throughout financial markets and the broader economy, influencing borrowing costs, investment decisions, and ultimately, the economic well-being of millions of Americans. Understanding the intricacies of the FOMC's operations and closely monitoring its communications are essential for anyone seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the Federal Reserve and its policies. The FOMC meeting minutes stand as a vital chronicle of the committee's deliberations, offering a comprehensive account of the economic and financial landscape as perceived by its members. These minutes delve into the factors shaping the FOMC's outlook, including inflation trends, employment figures, consumer spending patterns, business investment, and global economic developments. By scrutinizing these minutes, market participants, analysts, and policymakers gain invaluable insights into the FOMC's thought processes, enabling them to better anticipate future policy moves and their potential ramifications. The minutes typically commence with a summary of economic conditions, highlighting key data points and trends that factored into the FOMC's assessment. This section provides a snapshot of the committee's collective understanding of the economy's strengths and weaknesses, as well as any emerging risks or uncertainties. Following the economic overview, the minutes delve into the FOMC's monetary policy discussion, outlining the various policy options considered and the rationale behind the ultimate decision. This section is particularly illuminating as it reveals the diversity of views within the FOMC and the factors that ultimately swayed the consensus. The minutes also shed light on the committee's expectations for future economic performance and its assessment of the risks surrounding its outlook. The Federal Reserve recognizes the importance of transparency in its policymaking process, and as such, it releases the minutes of each FOMC meeting to the public after a 3-week lag. This delay allows time for careful review and editing of the minutes, ensuring accuracy and clarity while also providing a degree of separation between the FOMC's deliberations and their public dissemination. The minutes are typically released at 2 p.m. Eastern Time on the Wednesday following the 3-week holding period. The minutes are structured to provide a comprehensive yet accessible account of the FOMC's meeting, striking a balance between detail and readability. They are divided into sections, each focusing on a specific aspect of the meeting, such as the staff's economic projections, the committee's discussion of financial markets, or the policy alternatives considered. The minutes are available on the board's website. The FOMC meeting minutes are an indispensable tool for anyone seeking to understand the intricacies of U.S. monetary policy and its implications for the economy. By closely monitoring these minutes, investors can gain valuable insights into the FOMC's thinking, enabling them to make more informed investment decisions. Businesses can use the minutes to anticipate future interest rate movements, allowing them to better manage their borrowing costs and investment plans. Policymakers rely on the minutes to track the FOMC's assessment of economic conditions and its policy intentions, informing their own policy responses. Staying abreast of the latest FOMC meeting minutes is crucial for navigating the complexities of the financial markets and making informed decisions in an ever-changing economic landscape. To stay informed about future FOMC meeting minutes and other important Federal Reserve releases, consider subscribing to email updates and announcements on the Federal Reserve's website.